morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Pingu Charts, and welcome back to another analysis on Bitcoin. So this morning is still in the choppy range. As you guys can see, we did bounce from 19.5 pretty damn well. I do see another bullish candle, bullish engulfing, breaking above the EMA. So like I said in yesterday's video, these types of ranges aren't worth trading. If you guys, like I said, you went long here, then you got stopped out down here. And if you obviously went short here, you got stopped out up here, right? So this is why we don't trade these ranges very much. We just kind of watch and wait for a proper move. So right now, looking at Bitcoin, you can see that we are pretty much back to where we were before yesterday's dump. We're above the exponential moving averages once again, so that is another bullish indicator. We do have a bullish engulfing candle, which is also obviously a good one, and then we kind of formed a double bottom pattern. Now, this doesn't mean that, oh, we're going to break above the 20.7 level. We're still pretty much in this range. We can definitely still see another dump, right? So next, obviously, when the stock market opens, we start to have more volatility. We could see another move back down and actually break that support level. But it would be interesting to see if Bitcoin can actually hold this level and actually break above the 20.7 level. The reason for this is if we break above this 20.7 level, I can almost guarantee that we would be pretty much testing the 21.5, if not the 21.7 level once again. Usually when patterns like this are formed, we kind of have this U-shaped form and then it comes back down, right? Like more of like a little cup and handle formation, but a little different. So that's pretty much what you're looking for right now, is whether or not we can break above the 20.7 level or whether or not we can break below. This level right here is going to be extremely important for anyone trading. You have to see if whether we can break above, have a retest of this support, and then continue higher, or whether we hit this level, reject, and then come back down. That would give you an opportunity for a short or a long position. But looking at Bitcoin right now, just pretty much in this boring little range, we're not really focusing in too much on that. Now, zooming out on the chart here, we can see we still have some pretty decent support at 18.8, but that would technically mean that this would be the third test. Once again, you have 1, 2, technically 4, but that one really broke it, so I don't really count that one. So this would become the third test. Usually on the third test, we pretty much break below, and it could possibly form a double bottom situation. Now, in my personal opinion, I think that is more likely than happening than actually us breaking above. And the reason for that is, if you guys can see right here, I'll zoom in for you. We already tested this level, right? You can see right over here at 20.7, we already tested this level and broke above and failed to continue. Now, previously, we can see that over here on the chart at 20.7, we did break above, right? Right here, we did break above, and we actually continued higher. That is a different situation than what we're facing right now. Currently, what we're facing right now is we can't even break above the 21.6 to let alone test the 22K level. So we're kind of just in these choppy ranges and then a massive dump. It's starting to look like a pattern. You guys can kind of see, obviously from the 20, 24, 25K level, we've been pretty much in these consolidation ranges and then continuing dumping. So I personally wouldn't be looking for any long entries. I would only be looking for short entries here. And that's pretty much how I trade, right? You don't want to be entering long positions in a bear market. You pretty much just want to be shorting every time it pumps up, or every time you see a massive move up, look for shorting opportunities. You're better off winning those trades than you are losing, because again, the market, the trend is actually down. It's not going to be up, right? But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Hopefully we can see a move on Bitcoin, and I can later update you guys later tonight. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, and I hope you have a wonderful day.